Synthetic versus conventional oil, is the extra cost really worth it, or is it just marketing hype? Let's uncover the truth, once and for all. Conventional oil is refined from crude petroleum. It's been the standard for decades. It works well for everyday driving, especially in older vehicles. But it doesn't stay clean as long, and it breaks down faster under extreme conditions. If you're still using conventional oil, type Team Conventional in the comments. Synthetic oil is engineered molecule by molecule for top performance. It reduces sludge, protects your engine at extreme temperatures, and lasts longer, meaning fewer oil changes. It's the choice for modern engines and drivers who want peace of mind. Synthetic lasts 7,500 to 15,000 miles versus 3,000 to 5,000 for conventional. Sure, synthetic oil costs more upfront, but think about this. Synthetic, $70 change every 10,000 miles. Conventional, $40 change every 3,000 miles. Fewer oil changes, better fuel efficiency, and longer engine life. Over time, synthetic may actually save you money and costly repairs. Would you pay more now to save in the long run? Yes or no? Drop your answer in the comments. Not every car needs synthetic oil, but if you drive a high-performance vehicle, a turbocharged engine, or a newer car under warranty, manufacturers often require it. Check your owner's manual. Using the wrong oil can even void your warranty. For older vehicles with simple engines, conventional oil is usually enough, but for new engines with tighter tolerances and advanced tech, synthetic is the safer bet. So here's the bottom line. If you drive an older car casually, conventional works fine. But for newer cars or anyone who wants maximum protection, synthetic is the way to go. Now it's your turn. Which oil do you trust more, synthetic or conventional? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care breakdowns every week.